Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by controlling the taskbar directly. Open taskbar settings and then taskbar corner overflow so you can see which icons are allowed to show. Once done, find Microsoft OneDrive in that list and toggle it off to hide the icon immediately. If OneDrive is pinned to the taskbar instead of the tray, right-click the pinned icon and choose Unpin from Taskbar. These steps remove the visible icon fast while keeping your files intact. Next, disable OneDrive from restarting itself. Click the System Tray arrow, right-click the OneDrive cloud and open Settings. Under the Settings tab, uncheck Start OneDrive automatically at sign-in so the icon won't reappear after reboot. Make sure to review the Account tab if you want to unlink this PC. That stops syncing but keeps local files. Once you change these options, close OneDrive and confirm the icon stays hidden. If it returns, continue to finish by forcing a refresh or resetting OneDrive if the icon persists. Press Windows plus R and run OneDrive exe/reset. This restarts OneDrive without changing your settings. If you prefer removing the app entirely, uninstall OneDrive from Settings Apps and Features. Make sure to restart Explorer or sign out and back in to apply taskbar changes. Troubleshooting tip. If the icon still appears after reset, check Task Manager for leftover OneDrive processes and end them before restarting Explorer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.